Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to our June Stamp of the Month Club reveal. I'm so excited about this because I kind of leaned into June, okay? So everybody knows what June month is. It's usually all about the happy couple, right? So that's what we did. We did the happy couple, and I love this set so much. Look at this cute cake. We got a cake, a beautiful little box with a ring in it, a set of rings, and this set of balloons. Now you might be thinking, now Maymay, I'm not gonna use wedding cards as much as you think, but hear me out. The cake doesn't have anything wedding on it. You can turn it into all kinds of different things. The balloons, I'm gonna show you how to make them wedding, but you can use them for anything. And the little box, of course it's a ring box, but you could play and turn that into something else. But I just thought this was so cute to have for wedding, anniversary, things like that. It's just too cute. Even if you know somebody who gives somebody a promise ring, we still do that in the South. Is that something you guys do? We do. The set of rings are gorgeous. You can do them in gold. You can have so much fun. And let's talk about the sentiments. So you've got congratulations, happy couple, sweetest wishes, and then you got the word to thee over here. So you can see how you can mix all of that around, like sweetest wishes to the happy couple, congratulations to the happy couple, congratulations to the Mr. and Mrs. You can do that. There's an ampersand if you wanted to mix anything up. If you wanted to say congratulations and sweetest wishes. Wow, that's a hard one today. How about this one? May the years ahead be filled with love and joy. Here's to a lifetime of happiness and love. And of course, you have the separate Mr. and Mrs. here. Now, let me show you what I did. I sort of challenged myself, and I had a lot of fun doing this. Let me show you. I'm going to put this, I don't know if that, I'm going to put that out of the way so it doesn't mess with this. So what I did was I took the three images, the cake, the ring, and the balloons, and I heat embossed them on the same piece of cardstock. So look, I took a cream piece of cardstock and I heat embossed that little ring box, and you guessed it, I had to put a little bling right there. I thought it was too cute, right? And this one says, congratulations to the happy couple. Now this piece in the back, this is part of my challenge. My challenge was to emboss every image, and I did it in gold, and then I wanted to use a gold element in my cards, okay? So this is actually a circle die cut that I cut out of gold paper and then embossed. Look how gorgeous that is. I embossed this with that beautiful embossing folder, and then just stuck it at the top and bottom of the page and have this in the middle. I think that looks so pretty. And this green, if your wedding couple has a different color, just use a different color for it, right? That was one. Then I really love how this turned out. I decided to make a tag out of the little balloons, and this is what I wanted to show you. The balloons, the Mr. and Mrs. stamp in there perfectly, and I thought that was super cute. You could even put them here if you'd rather, but I think that's cute. And this says sweetest wishes. Look, I got it that time, to the happy couple. And it's just a tag that I could use with my cards on the gift that I'm going to give, right? And this may be my favorite. I did a little circle card. So this one, I did a circle die cut where I didn't let it cut all the way through. I stopped it there so that my card would open. So you see how it opens like this. And then this is that other image embossed and put on another circle die cut in the gold. I love how this looks. The challenge of the gold and the embossing was so fun. And I want to show you this. This is the embossing powder I use, the Gilded from Brutus Monroe. It is absolutely the most beautiful embossing powder. And see how it just melts like a dream? Like I don't have any skips or any spaces. I just love it. So that's the one that I used. And this gold paper, because you're probably going to ask, is the Sizzix paper that comes in the gold pack that has the glitter and all the other pieces. We'll link it below. But this paper, when you emboss it, is so gorgeous. This one is the shiny paper from that Sizzix pack because they give you different finishes. All right, guys, I love this one, and I cannot wait to see what you do with it. You know how it works. You make a project using this stamp set, post a picture of that to our customer gallery, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card every month. We give away 2 actually. And this month, if you're the winner for last month, you can check in the top line of the description of this video to find out if you won. Thank you guys so much for being a part of our club. I know you're going to love this one and use it so much. And until next time, bye now.